back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Austin Schottmer scheduled to start back in row 9, so missing 3 cars, 12 laps coming at you here. The green flag is out. Ashton Cohey. So Will McRoberts able to scoot around Ashton Cohey, Gary Ray Jr. up to second. Cohey falls back to third. Dustin Markham now in a 3-car battle for fourth. Eli McRoberts goes around Markham, grabs the 4th spot. Gary Hume, meanwhile, grabs 5th and 4th from both Markham and Eli McRoberts. Hume found the quick way around on the inside of the track. I'll tell you what, Gary Ray Jr. is catching Will McRoberts. You don't say that very often. McRoberts often considered one of the greatest of all time in a pro stock / pure stock here at Lawrenceburg. But Gary Ray Jr. has looked very quick all night long, and he is right there. 3 car lengths behind Will McRoberts. Oh, Gary Ray Jr. missed the corner there and won, costing him several car lengths. Cross flag, 6 down, 6 to go for Will McRoberts and Gary Ray Jr. As the yellow flag waves. Gary Hume. And green is back in the air. Oh, Gary Ray Jr. has found a little bit of grip on the inside portion of the racetrack. Obviously, the shorter way around doesn't look as good down there in 3 and 4 as it did in 1 and 2. So now Gary Ray kind of slides up to the high line as he still thinks that the high line may be the preferred line in 1 and 2. So Will McRoberts, Gary Ray Jr., Ashton Cohey, Eli McRoberts runs in 4th with Gary Hume rounding out the top 5. It's about a 3 or 4 car length advantage for Will McRoberts. By Will McRoberts standards, that's pretty tight. As he's used to really dominating these races when he gets out in front, especially. White flag in the air for Will McRoberts one more time around. Gary Ray Jr. is still about a second back, but not really close enough to strike. But the battle is on for second, third, fourth, and fifth. Ashton Cohey has it. He's trying to hold off Gary Hume. Here they come to the checkered flag. Will McRoberts wins it. Gary Ray Jr. second. Here they come for third on back, and Ashton Cohey's going to grab third. Followed by Gary Hume and Eli McRoberts. That's your top five. Again, Will McRoberts, Gary Ray Jr., Ashton Cohey, Gary Hume, and Eli McRoberts.
5:34:17, go to tech. 55, 95, 34:17, go to tech.
So Will McRoberts, the feature winner here tonight at Lawrenceburg. Congratulations, Will.